Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Appa just came back from a Japan trip. I really miss Chinese food. So anyway, today I'm making basil chicken or 3-cup chicken, san bei ji. To me, san bei ji is basically sesame oil chicken plus basil. Yeah, and make sure try to get some very flavorful basil. I have once tried a tasteless or flavorless basil in Singapore before. Quite strange. Don't know how that happened. But anyway, the Thai sweet basil I think is the best if you can get it. Yeah, this is the local basil, still very fragrant. Yeah. So then I have half of free range chicken here, some ginger, garlic. So we will need some water, some sesame oil, premium light soy sauce. Oh, this is also light soy sauce, just use one enough. Then dark soy sauce to give the color. This is some sugar and some salt. So why do they call it 3 cups? They're actually referring to 1 cup of sesame oil, 1 cup of light soy sauce, and 1 cup of Shaoxing wine. This is the 3 cups. First of all, we're going to saute the garlic and also ginger. Give it some oil and heat it up. Once you have heated up the oil, we will saute the ginger and also garlic. Take note, the garlic I actually cut it into quite a big cubes here. A sign telling you, yes, we want to eat the garlic later. It will also taste really good, yeah? So I did not mince the garlic. Brown this before we continue. I forgot to add a bit of sesame oil just now with the vegetable oil, yeah? Remember what I said earlier? 3-cup chicken is basically sesame oil chicken plus basil. Now that you see it is already brown, let's put in the chicken. You can marinate your chicken with a little bit of light soy sauce if you like. To me, it's optional. Let's give it a few stir. The sesame oil, very, very fragrant. Now I'm going to tune down the fire to the lowest fire. Let's give it some seasoning. Light soy sauce, Shaoxing wine, some fine salt, some fine sugar, dark soy sauce for the color. Now we raise the heat to medium high. Let's give it a little bit more dark soy sauce. We will only add in the basil towards the end, right before serving. Yeah. Now we put in some filtered hot water, and let's bring this to a boil. Once it is boiling, we're going to cover it with a lid and tune down to medium low, and I will cook it for about 15 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes. We'll see how it goes. Now we want the broth to reduce by itself and get it absorbed into the meat. This is coming to almost 20 minutes, reducing, yeah? Give it a few stir, yep. Yes, definitely reduce. From the color itself, you know the sauce has been absorbed nicely to the chicken. Not done yet, almost done, almost there. Ooh. Let's not forget our basil, and I'll put in some big chili for the color, really, to make it more appetizing look. And some sesame oil to top it up. Done. That's how simple it is. Of course, you want to give it a few stir before you serve, but that's how simple it is to make a very flavorful San Beiji 3-cup chicken at home. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.